In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P2055 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first things first, you need to navigate at the button search bar, okay, where you can see this one. So just have to type for Chrome. Once you're done typing, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. So before you proceed, you would be able to see a link that is being attached at the description box below. So all you need to do is you need to copy it. So if you have a 32-bit PC, then proceed on the link that is being attached next to it. Or if you have 64-bit, then proceed to the link that is under it. So once you have copied the link that is in accordance to your operating system. So by the way, can you find out if you have 32-bit or 64-bit? So all you need to do is you need to type for info at the button search bar and wait until a best match would appear, okay, which is the system information. So all you need to do is you need to click on this open, and eventually you would be able to show up this kind of window. There you can see the system type where you can identify whether if you have x32 or x64. So mostly Windows 11 has x64 based PC. So once you have identified it, just proceed to the Windows search bar here and Control V in the keyboard so that you would be able to paste the link that you have copied. Click on the enter key so that you would be able to see the result. And in a few moments, you would be redirected to this kind of window where you can see the mega folder. All you need to do is you need to wait until this would be finished, until we can see all of the link or the specific drivers that is like this. So from here, proceed to the upper side of that. You can see there a download. Click on it and select for download as a zip file. In a few moments, it would be start on the downloading. We just have to wait until this would be completed before we can continue to the installation. Okay, so once done, directly proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there a download icon. Click on it. Okay, so just have to click on this and go with download one. So we just have to click on this and it will show up here. Go with this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So please make a right click and go with the cut icon and close the window as well as this one. And here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with the space icon. So the next step that we need to do is we need to unzip this file. So how we can do so? By making a right click, you would be able to bring up this kind of window. There you can see extract all, or you can also use this WinRAR tool to extract it. So go with extract to, and eventually it will now start on the extraction. Now we just have to wait until it would be done. Once a new file folder is being created here, meaning we have extracted it successfully. So the next step that we need to do is we need to navigate to the settings. So by here, please make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left side, go with Bluetooth and devices, And under the Bluetooth and devices, please proceed with the devices to bring up the devices settings. Here at the devices settings, please scroll down on the list and locate for more devices and printer settings. So click on it. And once this window would show up, please navigate to the option called Add a printer being placed at the upper left side of this screen and go with the printer that I want is enlisted and go with Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So it could be 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Once you're good, please click on next and go with this option called have disk. Browse. Since our extracted file is being placed at the desktop, then by that, please navigate to the desktop and there you can see this one. So double tap to it, double tap once again, and it will show you the driver. Just select the first drivers, double tap to it, and click on OK. So from here, it will show up this one. Go with next. Don't worry because even if it's stating here P2050, it is working for P2055 printer driver as well. So you can rename that for easy identification and you can rename it HP LaserJet P2055. So click on next and eventually it will now start on the installation. Now please wait until this would be done. Sound control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue to the installation. Once done, please allow for printer sharing. Go with next. And if you would like it to set it as your default printer, you can check the box. In my case, I'm leaving it unchecked. So go with finished and there you go. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P2055 in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.